Hi, my name is Shama, and today we are going to go through a new app which is Canva. So, this is the homepage of Canva. As you can see, there are a few templates which are already populated. You can choose from these, any of these templates. If you want a poster or Instagram post, or if you want to design a logo or a resume, you can select. Today we'll design a poster. So, we'll select a poster. So, you see, a new window is opened. A new window is opened, and here we can design a poster. So for example, if your client wants you to design a poster for a sale, so here you can see there are many free templates that are available. If you hover above them, you will see that they are free. If they are paid, then it will be written that they will be available in the pro version. So we can select any from these free templates. You can add photos which are available here. There are thousands of photos that you can select. You can write searching for, and you'll find photos, or you can add text. So I'll select this template, and once you've selected the template, you can edit it as well. For example, this is a end of season sale, so I'll add end of season sale, and you can make changes to the date, 25th May. This is maybe 25th of March 2020, and you can make changes to the date and the time, and then here, if you click here, you can download. You can decide how you wish to download. You can download in a PDF or a JPG or a PNG. You can decide however you want to download, and then click download. Once you click download, you can see it's downloading and it will be saved. Then you can use the poster. So this is how you use Canva. Thank you for watching.